video chart presentation of Jaguar Mining Inc. Jaguar trades on Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker JAG. Ran across this in a bullish investor scan Wednesday morning. Like many other mining plays, stock price has really been depressed in 2013. Looking at it now to potentially find a bottom down here around a quarter, you can see it's slowly making higher lows. And a little bit of a climb on Tuesday, up about 5% on a nice increase in volume. Puts this chart on radar to see if it's finally going to be able to bust through this 50-day moving average, hold the upper half of the Bollinger Bands, and along with making the higher lows, finally start to make some higher highs as well and develop an upward channel. Nice little uptrend going on with the MACD. Getting pretty close to that zero mark that we talk about so much. It's just important for the MACD to break through zero, start trending on the north side. That's why technical traders call that breaking the money line, because it's a much stronger signal of bullishness. You can see through here, stock tried to make little climbs. The MACD just kept banging its head on zero and finally caved in and the stock price fell apart. So once again, we're going to be watching it closely to see if it can move above zero. And with that, likely the stock price will move above the 50-day. And overall, the chart will be taking on a much stronger look. Now, lending to the idea that may happen, slow stow is moving upward. See, it's registering about a 61 right now. Readings over 50 indicate that there's some bullish momentum in the play. 50 is kind of a benchmark of neutrality. Well, with the slow stow climbing over the last few weeks, it indicates there is some momentum building in the chart right now. Same way with the money flow index, rising and also holding over top of 50. That's something that we look for to show people are paying higher prices for the stock. So that's a pretty nice look to the money flow index, especially for the stock price kind of stagnating a little bit sideways recently. RSI's also at that key point. The 14's registering a 51, indicating a little bit of battle between the bulls and bears to gain control of momentum. But you can see throughout the course of these 3 months, essentially trending on the lower half of that indicator, signaling that the bulls can never really get control. The stock price either has puttered sideways or dropped. So again, it's important for it to move to the upper half of that indicator, show the bulls in charge of momentum. Regarding support and resistance, I'd put that bottom support right there at a quarter. No matter what happens, I don't want to see it fall through that and make new lows. If that sort of thing happens, that's when you'll see the MACD bouncing off of zero and start to go back down. With that increase in volume on Tuesday, and even though it was just a small update, 5%, I want to look for pressure to continue immediately and try and build the momentum and trend indicators and put them in much stronger positions. So I'd look for that 25-cent mark as a bottom. I'd be leery if I saw volume come in and this thing drop right through 27. I definitely don't want to see any big signs of selling pressure. So I'd have mind that 27, 28-cent mark as a first line of defense with the bottom support down there at 25. To the north side, I think there's certainly a little bit right there in front of it at 30 cents. See, it's basically been stuck in that channel for the last few weeks, and that's going to stay pretty hefty all the way up to those old highs, up around 34 cents. I noticed that point too, 50-day moving average is at 32.3. Going to add some dynamic resistance in through there as well. So that's going to be a key point for it, with more static resistance coming in at this old support up near 40 cents. Going to be more top end, up around 45 cents. But to baby step my way through it, I'm going to look at this first resistance point, see if stock price can climb over top of this 50-day moving average, climb through and make a new couple month high. See how it acts if it approaches an old support level up near 40. If it wants to hit that, find that to be a tough area, pull back down, not that big of a deal to me. Make another higher low, try and hold over top of the 50-day moving average, and then take another crack at it. A lot of times it's a slow progression off a true bottom. Miners certainly have been beaten up. Not a great deal of positive sentiment surrounding them right now. But these type of charts are worth keeping an eye on to see if they're going to slowly and steadily rise from a bottom. And those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the JAG chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor, licensed broker dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.